Let's talk dirt. Not all dirt is created equal. Some is just lifeless powder, impossible to grow anything in. But what if I told you there's a secret ingredient that transforms dead ground into rich living soil? It's not some fancy product, it's something most people throw away. Fallen leaves. That's right, just plain old dead leaves piled on your garden beds. Here's the forbidden part: in many towns, it's actually against the rules to collect leaves from curbs or parks. So this free, natural resource gets labeled as trash, and we pay for store-bought mulch or fertilizer instead. It's ironic, we're throwing away the best soil builder nature has, then buying poor substitutes. Leaves are the foundation of healthy soil, a process nature's used for millions of years. When we bag up our leaves, we break that cycle, robbing our land of what it needs to thrive. The result? Weak plants, more weeds, and soil that gets worse every year. But if you use leaves as mulch, you're restoring that natural cycle. You'll cut your watering bill, feed your plants for free, and build soil that gets better every season. It's simple, it's free, and it works, if you're willing to break a few rules. So next time you see a pile of leaves, think twice before calling it trash. Your garden will thank you. Want proof that leaf mulch works? Take a walk in the woods. Push aside the top layer of leaves and you'll find dark, crumbly earth teeming with life, worms, insects, and a web of white mycelium. That's living soil, built by fungi and microbes breaking down dead leaves. The forest floor is a perfect, self-sustaining system. Trees drop leaves, soil life eats them, and the cycle repeats. When you mulch with leaves, you're copying this natural process in your own garden. Lay down a thick blanket of leaves, and you invite the underground crew, fungi, bacteria, worms, to get to work. They build soil structure, unlock nutrients, and deliver them straight to your plant's roots. Lifeless dirt is just minerals. Add leaves and you kickstart a biological revolution. Microbes glue soil particles together, creating that crumbly, spongy texture plants love. The transformation is real, and it all starts with a simple layer of leaves. You don't need fancy products, just nature's own system. Healthy soil, less work, better plants. The forest figured it out. Now you can too. Let your garden floor feed itself. Fertilizer is the quick fix. Pour it on, get a burst of green, and feel like a gardening hero. But it's like feeding your plants candy bars, fast results, but no real nutrition. Over time, chemical fertilizers harm soil life, leaving you with weak plants and dead dirt. Leaf mulch is the slow-cooked meal, steady, balanced, and nourishing for the whole ecosystem. Worms and microbes break down the leaves, delivering nutrients right when plants need them. The result? Healthier soil, less watering, fewer pests, and stronger plants. Fertilizer creates dependency. Leaf mulch builds resilience. One is a short-term fix, the other a long-term investment. With leaf mulch, your garden gets better every year. No chemicals required. Feed the soil, not just the plant. Ready to try leaf mulch? Here's how. Start with free leaves from your yard or neighbors. Just make sure they're chemical-free. Shredding leaves with a lawnmower helps them break down faster and prevents matting. Spread a thick layer, 4 to 6 inches, over your garden beds. The leaves will settle and decompose, enriching your soil by spring. Keep mulch a couple inches away from plant stems to prevent rot. Worried about pests? A healthy soil ecosystem attracts predators that keep pests in check. At first, you might see a few slugs or snails, but as your soil improves, they'll be outnumbered by their natural enemies. Leaf mulch builds your garden's immune system. No need for store-bought mulch or fertilizers, just nature's own solution. It's easy, effective, and free. You're not just mulching, you're restoring a natural cycle. Your plants will grow stronger, your soil will get richer, and your garden will thrive, all from a pile of leaves. Give it a try and see the difference. If leaf mulch is so great, why isn't everyone talking about it? Simple. You can't make money selling something that's free. The gardening industry profits from products, fertilizers, pesticides, bagged mulch, not from free leaves. The truth is, the best solution is already in your backyard. That's why you don't see leaf mulch on magazine covers or in big box stores. Using leaves breaks the cycle of consumerism and puts you in control. You're not just gardening, you're managing an ecosystem. Less work, less waste, more results. Take what nature gives you and build something beautiful. That's a miracle you can't buy.